Alright, so all we're going to talk about in this particular video is how to adjust the windows for your graphs. So let's say you graph something and you can't quite see either an intersection point or you can't see the graph in its entirety and you have to manipulate the window or even manipulate your zoom settings. So let's just go to y equals. I've got this pre-made equation and I'm going to go ahead and take a look at what it looks like. I notice here that this is a parabola and I can't see my vertex, so I kind of want to zoom out. Some of the things you can do is you can use the zoom feature naturally and say, hey, I want to zoom out, and then it does this. It's a little easier to see it, but as you can tell, it zooms out as a predetermined amount. Let's say you just want to make your window slightly bigger instead of as big as it was here. So one of the options would be, let's go ahead and go back to normal. Zoom standard is your normal 10 by 10. And let's say we just want to zoom out a little bit or just change the window slightly. To do this, we'll click the window button. And here we're going to change the scale of which your x and y values are shown. The normal window is negative 10 to 10 and negative 10 to 10 for the x and y values. So let's say we just want to make it slightly bigger. Let's say negative 15 to 15. And then we'll do the same thing for the y's. We'll just make the window slightly larger instead of just going by the preset zoom out. And then we'll hit zoom or hit graph again, and it's not quite big enough. So we can go back and we can keep messing with these if we want. We could do 25 and 25. And then, oops, 25. I messed up the x here. We'll say negative 25. Or no, not negative 25, just 25. Just 25. There we go. And then we got to fix the y. Max is 25. And then we hit graph again. And so now we can almost see the vertex, but we can keep doing this. You get the idea that you can manipulate the window for how much you're seeing based on what you're trying to see on your graph.